Hello guys, I just want to share it to you about my gas dryer. It's been loud. I think this is the third time. I'm just concerned about it. I don't know what's going on. But I just want you to hear. Maybe you can give me an advice if I need a technicians to come up and do something and look something for it. I'm gonna turn it on. So that's the noise. Actually, I've been using this almost twice a week, doing drying my clothes. But I never heard like this kind loud, and it's very annoying. And if you ask me about the vent, if I clean, I didn't, and we never cleaned that vent since we moved here 3 years ago. But this filter here, I always clean after I use it. I clean this one. So I don't know what's going on. And if you see it, it's not even a lot on it, you know. I don't know, maybe the screw is loosened or something. Maybe I need technician or I need a new dryer. Because I really don't know how long they had it. May see what the date over here. Oh, this was 2000. It's actually, I think that's the year they purchased. They made, I think that's 2004. Yeah. So yeah, I think I'm not really sure if that's the year. So yeah. But yeah, I'll give me a comments, guys, what to do. Because you know I live here in the United States, and mechanics here are not. Technician is not cheap, so it's so expensive. I don't know. It's worth it to hire technician, or it's worth it to buy a new one. You know what I mean? And this is a gas dryer, and I like the gas dryer because it's quick to dry. You know what I mean? So I'm gonna turn it again. Same, see? You hear it? Yeah. That's my problem. And it's like, if I'm inside, even I close this door, if I'm in the other room or in the office, I can hear this loud. It's like the house is shaking. Yeah, it's like that. But give a comments, guys, and yeah, give suggestions. I just need suggestions what to do. You know what I mean? I appreciate it. Thank you, guys.